Hey, welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer. Today I've got this Yamaha 5-disc CD player to show you. It's super slick, looks really nice, but before we get into it, I got a quick question for you. Do you know how much the first CD player that came out was? It was $1,500. Yes, and that's in US dollars, and that's a lot of money. Not to mention, that was all the way back when they came out, all the way in '82. But now that you know that, let's go ahead and talk about this. So on the rear panel, your only outputs are your analog output right here, red and white. And then this particular one was manufactured in April of 1991, not long after CDs came out. So this model was manufactured somewhere around the year of 1991. So once you've got it all connected, you can power it up and insert a CD. It will come out really far enough to where you can load up 4 of the CDs. And something that's nice about this device is it has a remoteless operation. It doesn't require a remote to access all the features. And even if you wanted to use a remote with this, you wouldn't be able to, as there's no remote sensor on the front of it. But for your buttons, you have a power button, time button, you can adjust how the time is displayed. And then you have your disc select buttons, you have program, your search button for searching through the track, and then a skip button for skipping forwards and backwards to the next track or previous track. Then you have a repeat button if you want to do a repeat of a certain CD or all CDs. And then you have a mode switch button for switching between a single track or all tracks. And then you have a mode button right here, random button for playing it on shuffle or random as it calls it. And then you have a disc skip button right here. And then you have stop, play, pause. And then right here is a Playxchange button. That allows you to change 4 of the discs while 1 continues to play. And just so you know, the model number of this is CDC-80. But if you want to order one, you can give us a call or check out our online store.